Okay, buddy.
Hello.
Hey, I've got it running, just see what you think. We've got Hayden's special chair. We've got to see Hayden down here. Don't we? It's your special chair. Can you take your shirt off? Can you take your shirt off? Or leave it on today? Leave it on? Take it off. Alright, hands up. Good boy. Give that to Mum. Go forward just a little bit. That's it. Hayden's got his own rules. We have to do everything down here. And it has to be my room, can't be anybody else's room. And if we do that and we keep the Lego table, we'll stay friends, won't we, Hayden? How's he been? Has he been good?
Last week both of us had a bit of heavy cold and stuff, so he's been a bit congested, and he's been getting up early in the mornings just the last few days. He's got a bit of a temperature.
You got a bit of temperature, yeah, a bit warm. He seems to have this problem up here again, both on the scope, the swelling under the joint here, and his glands are back up again.
Yeah.
Remember when we first met him and he had those problems?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, that's the problem there. And he's still ticklish.
Yeah.
He's still ticklish. Alright, buddy, you stand up for a minute. And I'll get in here. And you sit in there. That's it. Alright.
Yeah, because he's had the hay fever, but then it's turned into a cold.
Yeah.
Like, last Thursday it's like a zombie.
Was he? He was really out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He still do his tennis though. He's determined to play tennis.
You like tennis?
Yeah.
Tennis racket would be as big as you.
He's got a natural sort of flair over the net and
amazing.
things, so.
Where are you going? You're running away from me.
I was pulling faces at him.
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, good job.
And we fixed you. What happens now? Tickles, that's what happens. That's what happens. And what happens? Something else happens.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you're so strong. You're so strong. Ow! Last time he had this situation with ear infections and the congestion and so on, and his glands are up, he looked a lot sort of sicker in the eyes, but he doesn't look so bad in the eyes this time. But he's still got those red cheeks and the congestion in the nose.
Yeah.
So just let me know how it goes. Now that was good. Here, that's the same problem that was causing those ear infections.
Yeah.
So your eyes are open now, aren't they? Alright.
Yeah.
You're too strong.